Hey folks, Holly here with Cheeky Tea. I'm all dolled up in my pink PJs in my bathroom, and I'm going to show you yet another way to enjoy your tea without drinking it. It's very cheeky. I do this weekly. It's my foot bath ritual, and I'm just drawing up the sink here with all the water that I need. But first step is you're going to make a tea bag out of a nylon, like I've always been having you do. So literally get an old nylon, stick a bunch of tea in it. It doesn't need to be good tea. In fact, Cheeky Tea's tea is too delicious to actually use for your feet. So go to the store and get you some cheap old sencha or something like that. Green tea, please. And away you go. So you make your little tea bag, you dunk it in, and as you can see, it's already infusing the water with all of its goodness. So that is probably enough. Great. Now, my mom always told me never to jump on the counters or sit on the counters, but she's not here, is she? So I'm going to do it anyway. Let's do it. All right. Oh, feels great. So I do this every week. Give my tootsies a little clean and a refresh. Now, did you know that the soles of your feet are the best area to allow like essential oils to enter your body and nutrition, like what I'm soaking in to enter your body, all the good nutrition is very, I guess it's, I don't know what the term is, but it's a good access point to enter all the goodness. So I am soaking here in this tea bath, and I've got my little pumice stone, so have that at the ready, and more importantly, a good book. So I am going to read my own book. I'm on chapter 5, The Mysterious and Beguiling World of Japanese Tea. Well, now that's certainly cheeky, isn't it? Anyway, I'll be here for half an hour. See you later.